Hello, and welcome to this Bodhi-Armor Sauna meditation series on zeroing meditation or calibration meditation. To zero out your attention is to zero out your senses. If you remember from elementary school, when you first had a science class, they taught you to calibrate the scale. Calibration means finding the 0 point so you can balance out. That's exactly what you're doing through zero meditation. Once you develop enough samadhi or focus strength, you'll be able to keep your attention parked in one place long enough to explore the inner dimensions of consciousness. Zeroing out your senses means evenness of experience. You trade in the highs and lows that all of us get addicted to, chasing the emotional rewards of money, of sex and love, of fame, whatever it is that drives you. You trade all of that in for the concept of zero, to exist in the space between hot and cold. Because every single one of us has expanding influences in us and contractive influences in us. Expanding influences at their peak could be known as manic episodes. Contractive influences at their peak could be known as depressed periods. Your job is to balance all of these forces out. And you can only seem to do this as you develop more strength of concentration and more equanimity, emotional flexibility. As you practice your focus training and your equanimity training, one thing you're going to want to keep in mind is the goal is to zero out, to balance out, to make sure that at any given moment you can always recalibrate your scales, no matter how heavy life seems. There's always a way to balance the scales. There's always a way to find zero. And as you meditate, imagine that you are the space in between plus and minus. That's you. In the field of attention, that's you. I hope this helps you make more sense of zeroing or calibration meditation. Peace and love. Bodhi for Bodhi-Armor.